Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from your Ton wallet to your Bybit. This is going to be a very straightforward video, so make sure to watch until the end, like and subscribe if you find it useful. As you can see, we are right now on our Tonkeeper application. From here, you're going to go to the Ton that you own, and then simply click on Send. Once you do that, you'll find the screen right here, and then go to your Bybit application. Right now, we are on Bybit. Simply go to the Assets on the bottom right, and then from here, we're going to go to Deposit, and then Deposit Crypto. Once you do that, you're going to search for Ton, and then you're going to click it, and then it will ask you to choose a chain. Right now I only have one available, so we're going to click that. And then as you can see right here, after the warning and everything, we have our QR code and our wallet address. Copy this, and then from here, go back to your Tonkeeper application. You're going to paste it, and for the amount, let's say, I don't know, almost $1. Now it says that insufficient funds, but basically you simply write any comment that you would like, and then you're going to receive it directly to your Bybit wallet in no time, just that easy, and you'll find it right here where my assets are. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.